Hey guys, I'm Esther from Eslashes, and in this video we're going to be talking about how you can market your lash business. So we're going to talk about the different ways that you can grow it, how you can market it, and how you can attract new clients. So the first thing you want to do, if you haven't done so already, is get on social media. So social media is one of the best ways to market your business. Not only can you do advertising through there, but people can actually find you in the search engine on social media. So two of the top ways that people are finding businesses through social media are through Facebook and Instagram. Now I know Facebook is a little bit of a dying thing, but it is still really great for businesses. The reason it's so great for businesses is that they're going to pull up your Facebook page on Google. It's going to help your Google search. So it's a great way to be on social media. That you're on social media, you want to update your bio and you want to add your location. So in your bio, you want to include exactly the services that you offer. You want to make everything really clear and easy to understand. So if you only offer classic lashes, you want to make that known in your bio. Offer classic lashes, microblading brows, whatever it is. If you can fit that clear and concise in your bio, that's great. You also want to add your location. Now, if you are working out of your home, I totally understand not wanting to add your home address just on social media, but you can at least update your neighborhood and give people a general idea of the area that you're in, because you want to attract clients that are actually going to be able to come to your location. And the next thing you want to do to market your business is create a website. So creating a website is a lot easier than it used to be. You can just get plugins. Everything is set up for you. You just have to plug in your information. You don't have to spend a ton of money getting a website designer or anything like that. And another way to get those new clients is to have an easy booking system on your website. There are a ton. I know if you use Square Reader for your payments, Square Reader also has a really simple booking system that you can use as well. The most important thing with your website is that it's user-friendly, easy to book, and easy to understand the services you offer and the prices that they are. You have your website and your social set up. You want to create consistent content. So whatever that means to you. So if it's once every week, if it's twice every week, if it's 3 times every week. Now, one way to get really consistent with your content is to create your content in batches. So don't forget to take pictures of your work. Don't forget to take before and afters. Don't forget to take videos. If you can post reels, you can post TikTok videos, stuff like that. That's even better. And create a schedule for yourself so that you know you can be posting consistently. Create a referral program. So referral program, if you have existing clients already or friends and family that will do this for you, is you offer them an incentive to refer you new clients. So for example, hey, if you refer a new client to me, I will give you $20 off your next fill. I will give you a free next fill. However aggressive you want to make it is totally up to you, but offer them an incentive that they're actually going to want to use and get your clients to work for you and help bring in those new clients. Word of mouth is still one of the top ways. For a loyalty program. So if you want to get clients and keep clients, you can set up a loyalty program that incentivizes them to keep coming back to you. So for example, you could do something like buy 5 fills, get 1 free. Buy 9 fills, get 1 free. Something like that. So they have something to work toward. The lifetime value of a repeat client is really the best. You create a relationship with them and they're going to keep coming back to you, month after month after month. And that is so valuable. So the next way is through cross referrals. So you want to choose somebody in your industry. For example, if you have a nail tech that does your nails and you don't do nails, you can talk to them while they're doing your nails and ask them if they'll do a cross referral with you. So what that means is they will be promoting you and you will be promoting them. So you can set up each other's brochures with a list of services. You can post about each other on social media. You can talk to your clients about each other. Cross referral is another great way to market. The final way is to use paid advertising. Now, when you're starting out, you don't want to spend a ton on paid advertising, but you can always test out something like Google Ads at $5, something like that. You don't have to spend a ton to get it started. You want to make sure before you do start spending that everything you put in is very specific. You want to make sure that it's showing your location. You want to make sure you're not advertising for the wrong area. You want to make sure that your money's going as far for you as possible. So guys, I hope you love these tips on how to market your business. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. And if you like this video, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button below.